Hello, myself Kuldeep Agarwal. I am partner of Green Flames. We manufacture biomass briquette. This is the product. It is used as a substitute of coal and other furnace oil and petrochemical item for burning in furnace or boiler. It is made from agricultural waste. It's pure eco-friendly with zero carbon, low ash percentage and high calorific value. It is used as a substitute of coal in industries like food industries, packaging industries and beverages industries. It is a good substitute and eco-friendly option. We are largest manufacturer in entire East India. You can contact me for any requirement. My contact number is 94350 47690.
So I'm Colonel Pranab Roy and I represent a company called Punjab Renewable Energy Systems Private Limited. So I'm the Senior Vice President of the East Zone, a military veteran who spent about 27 years. And now we are running this company for the last 12 years. In the Eastern Theatre, we are there for the last 3 to 4 years. And we are primarily doing a complete campaign on utilizing the agricultural residue as a form of a biomass and utilizing them to gainfully give more support to the farmers on ground so that they earn. And in this Boiler Expo we have come to explain to the audience that these fuels will replace coal, and therefore once they replace coal, that will have an impact on the climate change. How? Because biomass is firstly a carbon neutral fuel. Number two, the smoke which emits after burning biomass does not have sulfur dioxide or nitrous oxide. And thirdly, it is the carbon which is generated by the plants is going back to the soil. So Prespel is a pan-India company driven by foreign investors, run by military veterans, wherein we have a supply chain business model, and that supply chain business model aggregates the agricultural residue from the farms, puts it in the collection centers, thereafter takes it to densification plants where it densifies it into briquettes or pellets, and then finally these briquettes and pellets are used in industrial boilers instead of coal to generate steam. Main customers over here are firstly the FMCG sector, the pharma sector, and apart from that there are distilleries, there are beverage companies, there are paper industries, and we also have a lot of production units of bottling plants, corrugated sheet plants and tea gardens where the biomass is utilized. It's a fledgling industry, unorganized, slowly getting organized. We create the supply chain and we do the marketing by coming to such exhibitions, as also meeting our clients and providing them alternate solutions to fossil fuels. That's the way it is. And for contacting for marketing, you can contact me. My entire business development team is over here. We will share our brochure, we will share our website, and the website is www.prespel.com, and you can also visit us at the website or visit us at our zonal office, which is in Calcutta, and we also have area managers for every state. So we have Mr. Mustaqul Rahman, who represents Prespel in Assam.